There's another area here too that especially is coming up for folks that it seems to be a bigger question. How do I transfer ownership of my project? You can do that by going into your project ownership list and you can assign. Now these I can't because they're under my admin name. But this one, so I'm showing these two. And I can go in here and I can assign that owner. And that brings us back to our modified project settings. And you can just go in there and assign it to the next person who's going to be held responsible for that particular project, especially when you have students or employees that are rotating out. You're, these are things that are happening, and we're finding that this is a common question now of how do I transfer ownership of a project? So I'm just going to type in that one. It's going to pick me up and I can save. Then I can go back to my projects page and look at my project ownership list and notice that it hasn't been assigned.